So the flu campaign 2019-2020 has probably been our most successful campaign yet. We've had great uptake from all the staff across all the departments within WAS, but we are aware that we still got pockets of staff that haven't come forward, haven't engaged for a multitude of reasons. But what we just want them to know now is because the clinics aren't so being run as often as they were at the start of that campaign, that if they access Siren or the WAST Facebook page, they can identify the peer vaccinators, and then they can just speak to them in confidence or at a time that suits them. We'd be more than happy to inoculate our staff, because flu's a really nasty disease. You know, it's actually life-threatening. We've got the vulnerable people at the young age and the old age, but you know, there's middle-aged people as well. We see them up on ITU, and you know, this flu does kill people. The best way we can do is vaccinate our staff, keep them healthy, keep the patients that they serve healthy, and just get in touch with us. If you do want to have your flu vaccination, please just access us through the information that I've just mentioned, and we'd be happy to meet up and provide you with a vaccination.